Hello everyone. Today, we are thrilled to guide you through our small horsepower tractor assembly line at Cropilots factory. Our assembly line is specifically designed for the production of small horsepower tractors, ranging from 25 to 50 horsepower. These tractors are the backbone of many small-scale farming operations, offering the perfect balance of power and maneuverability. At Cropilots, we believe in precision and efficiency. Each tractor that comes off our assembly line is a testament to our commitment to quality and performance. We use only the best components, including a name-brand engine that ensures consistent speed even when plowing through dense soil. Our production cycle is streamlined and efficient, with each tractor taking approximately 20 days to craft. This 20-day period represents a labor of love, as each tractor is meticulously assembled, tweaked, and polished to ensure it aligns with our customers' vision and needs. Whether you're tilling, planting, or harvesting, our small horsepower tractors are designed to make your work easier, more efficient, and more productive. We invite you to visit our factory and see firsthand the care and precision that goes into each and every tractor we produce. Thank you for joining me on this tour. We look forward to welcoming you to Cropilots factory soon.